Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time more efficiently. First, let's talk about setting clear priorities. Begin by identifying your most crucial tasks for the day or week. Focus on activities that truly move you closer to your goals. A great way to do this is by using a system like the Eisenhower matrix, which helps you categorize tasks by urgency and importance. This ensures you tackle what matters most. Next, let's discuss effective planning. Once priorities are set, block out specific times in your schedule for focused work on those key tasks. This technique, often called time blocking, helps dedicate uninterrupted periods. Remember to schedule short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to refresh your mind and maintain high concentration throughout your day. A visual planner can be very helpful. Now, let's tackle distractions. One of the biggest time wasters is constant interruption. Turn off all non-essential notifications on your phone and computer. Aim to create a dedicated workspace where you can focus without being disturbed. Also, try batching similar tasks together, like responding to emails or making calls, to minimize the mental effort of switching between different types of work. Finally, it's crucial to review and optimize your approach. At the end of each day or week, take a few minutes to assess how you spent your time. Identify what worked well and where you faced challenges. Perhaps you found that 25-minute work sprints followed by 5-minute breaks, known as the Pomodoro technique, boosted your focus. Continuously adjust your strategies to find what truly maximizes your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.